Good morning, y'all. I know I look toe up. Sorry for coming on camera looking toe up. I'm gonna get glam a little later on today. I am so rushing for time. Today is the big day. Sorry for talking about food in my mouth, but today is the big day. It's a party day for my mom and my aunt. Didn't have time to do my hair, so I'm about to redo my hair on top of this old hair. Just give it a little bit more definition. Sorry, I'm trying to eat breakfast and do hair. I'm pushing for time. I got a to-do list that I got to get done today before this event starts at 6 o'clock. So, I am pushing for time. I'm eating me some bacon on bread. And I made me some coffee. I'm about to do this hair. I just edited a video that we're going to present at the birthday event. Literally just put the video together in a matter of like 15 minutes. I'm lying. More like 7 minutes. I had to wait for everybody to send me their videos in, so created like 7 minutes. I'm gonna show y'all what I made at the end of the vlog so y'all can see it. I thought it turned out really cute. I made everything myself. But this battery is about to die. I gotta start on this hair. I'll see y'all a little later. Once again, sorry for talking with food in my mouth. So, I'm trying to get a little more definition in this head of mine. So what I'm going to do is section it off into sections. Let me make sure that, see, because this part go over here. I'm really thinking about just doing definition in the front and leaving the back end. So we're going to figure it out. Anyway, I'm going to put this here in sections, 4 sections. That's the first section. That's the second section. And I left the light on. I hate leaving lights on. It's a waste of money. Alright, that's that section. And then we're going to start off in this section. I'm going to have to diffuse. Okay. I'm being rough because I'm like pushing for time. Anyway. So what I'm going to do to revamp these curls pretty much is I got a water bottle with some conditioner in it. I'm going to spray a little bit of that on this section. Get it back moisturized. Massage that into this section. Just like that. Then I'm going to take a little bit of this. I'm going to put that in my hand. Massage that in. Add a little oil, like that. Just like that. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of this WETLINE, just a little bit, because I'm pretty much just revamping what already is in the hair, but I want it to be moisturized at the same time. Okay. Because I do think that I'm going to wash my hair on Sunday. This is what we're doing for now, though. Okay. And that's how that is looking. Okay. Got a whole head to go, so I'll see y'all a little later. Alright. The back is done. I wanted to still have a little volume, as if this is like third day here. So I really just kind of like damped it and refreshed the curls. But this is how she looking. Excuse me, I'm watching YouTube. I'm sorry for sure. Kimberly talking in my background, but this is it. It's pretty much it. I'm gonna finish the top. Iron these clothes is next on the list. Hey, 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 lay the edges down and the hair done. Hey, hey, now I'm finna diffuse, y'all. But look how, excuse my background, I ain't making my bed, but look how those curls is looking though. I didn't wash, I didn't do anything. I think my end's gonna be very, 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 very bad when I finally decide to straighten it and get a trim. I'm gonna have to probably cut off like an inch or two. My ends feel very, very, very raggedy and bad. But I'm about to diffuse this, take a shower, iron. Did I tell y'all that I ordered an outfit off a Pretty Little Thing on August 20th? It is now September 3rd. I don't know when this video gonna air, but it's September 3rd. And I have not gotten that outfit. The delivery date said August 31st, and it stays at August 31st. And it stays that FedEx did not check in the package yet. So I don't know if this has anything to do with Pretty Little Thing or FedEx, but FedEx, y'all gotta do better. I know it's a pandemic, but they gotta do better. So it's saying that the outfit supposed to come today. If that outfit is not here before I need to leave or be at this place at 6:00 p.m., it's going back. I ordered 2 dresses. Just in case one didn't look right, I got another option. Nothing came. Now I have a light, like champagne color dress. We're supposed to be wearing white, but I have a light champagne color dress, silk, and then I have this cream colored dress with like poofy sleeves, and then I have this white sweater, like knit sweater, no sleeve type style thing that could be options for tonight, which I would not be happy about, but it's too late. It's too late to go look for an outfit. So it is what it is. So we're going to see. I'm going to give them to 5:00 p.m. to drop off that package. If it is not here, I'm doomed, literally. But more things on the agenda for today. Let me get started. All right, y'all. So clothes are ironed. Hair is diffused. Got on my mask. I'm going to show y'all what I ironed so far for myself because my clothes did not come in the mail. Okay, so I have 3 options that I was telling you guys about. I have this dress right here, and the sleeves look like this. It's kind of like a little baby doll dress. It has pockets. It's about knee length. Then I have this silk dress that I was saving for something else. It's like a champagne type color. And then behind that, let me move that over. Behind that, I have like this sweater knit dress, no sleeves, and it has like a mock neck. And I was thinking about, I have like this dress in like every color from H&M. But this dress right here, I was wondering if I should put like a collar shirt on underneath, some booties and some socks to go with that. I don't know. Or just get dressy, but I don't have any shoes. So if I wear this, I have no shoes. If I wear this one, I'm pretty much probably going to be wearing gym shoes or sandals of some sort, but I have no shoes that matches this attire, none at all. So I'm about to take a shower, get my eyebrows. Oh, should I just wait to take a shower? I might just wait, but I'm going to get my eyebrows done, wash my face, brush my teeth, and go get these balloons together. And yeah, I might bring you guys along with me.
All-white affair in here, y'all. We finna have fun tonight, y'all.
Hi guys, I know it has been a minute since I have been on this camera. I am so sorry, y'all. Don't hold it to my heart. I did not forget about you guys. I'm trying to get used to doing this, okay? I'm trying to get used to vlogging and picking up this camera every day. Like I told you guys, I'm a homebody. So when I go out, I do kind of like forget to pick up the camera. But today is Sunday. I'm actually going to close the vlog off here. I did go to my mom's B-Day party. I have a little footage of that. I was so overwhelmed and stressed out and under pressure to where I did not get the footage that I really wanted. But what I do have, I am going to insert it into the ending of this video. But I wanted to come out and close out the vlog. I appreciate you all because I know this vlog is probably all over the place. It's probably long. It's been a lot of me sitting on this couch just in my room. Like, y'all, there are more videos to come if you all have some suggestions on any other things you all like me to see, because I am thinking about just strictly doing vlogs on this channel. I'm not sure if I am going to be doing any more hair videos or makeup or any of that. But if you all have some suggestions, please leave them in the comment section down below. Please leave them in the comment section down below. I appreciate you guys for sticking around thus far. If you made it to the end, I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. Today is Sunday, if I have not mentioned it. I just got out of church. It was an amazing service. But I am going to insert some more clips. I know there are some days I forgot to close out the vlog. Like, I did a horrible job, but I promise I'll do better. I promise that I'll do better. I think the last clip that you guys actually did see of me was me revamping this hair. This is how she's looking. I went through so much on yesterday. This has to go. But anyway, I'm going to end the vlog here. I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share, put on your post notification bells so you all are notified every time I do an upload. And without further ado, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.